Happy with your bowling today? Is that your new storm ball? Go get it. Come all the way to the line. Yeah, now throw it. There you go. Great shot. Good job. Look it. You want to sit down there and watch it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, how do you not get any pins using bumpers? That's right. Get it back.